Tell them I was brave.
This sucks.
I'm innocent, I swear!
I have money. Do not kill me.
Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! I have children! Just leave me!
What a shitty day.
Please! I'm begging you!
No! Please!
I have children! I never did anything. Please.
I have
Tell
money.
them I was
Do not
brave!
kill me.
Don't hurt me!
Where they'd be
Don't hurt me!
responsible for a mass murder on this scale. Not
day.
buying
Please,
it.
I'm
Not
begging you.
buying it, Micah. As usual.
This sucks.
Fact, Micah. Listen. Let's just
No! Please! No! Please! Oh, God.
Tell them I was brave!
I have money. Do not
Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me!
This sucks.
Please! I'm begging you!
What a shitty day.
I swear! I never did anything. Just leave me alone.
I have money. Do not kill me. What a shitty day.
Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! I have a heart of steel.
Why are you attacking us? What did Neon ever do to you?
Don't be so surprised. I've seen what your product does to hogs. Neon was bound to draw attention.
I have no idea what you're talking about. This is a private lab. You shouldn't even be here. Give me one good reason not to trigger the alarm.
For starters, because there's no one out there to respond. So how about neither of us do anything rash just yet?
What is it you expect from me? I'm just a chemist here.
You make a product that kills people. I'm not leaving until that's no longer possible. And you're gonna help me.
Why would I help you? People have a right to disconnect from the world. To do whatever they want to their minds, their bodies. I see no reason why that should stop.
I saw how fatal Neon is for hogs. I uncovered your distribution system, and I was able to find this place and get past the guards. Don't underestimate what I can do, or my willingness to do it.
If you're so very resourceful, why do you need me?
Because you know more about this place than I do. And because I like giving people a chance.
I don't need you to give me a chance. What I need is for you to leave my lab.
I'll leave when I'm good and ready.
Haven't you done enough yet? Why would you steal from me? can't force me to speak to you.